Yes, bafethu sanibonani bafethu sanibonani bafethu sanibonani bafethu sanibonani. Thembinkosi Lorch has got his his fifth goal of the season bafethu. Back to back to back to back. Something bekangayenzi makala Pirates or Sundowns. Let's be honest. Ngiyakhumbula uThembinkosi bekangadlali 3 games injured ku-Pirates. Every year Thembinkosi injured. Okay, fine. If Hugo Broos athi Thembinkosi Lorch noma angakora 100 goals angeke ambize, mdala uchazani? Uchazani? Mawuthi wena umuntu angeke umbize, mdala uchazani? Ibhola lingalo. Umbizelani Thembazwane? Okay, ase uThembaz unangakhi wena Hugo Broos mawuthi uzothembinkosi Lorch umdala? Unangakhi? Ucoach abantu abancane umdala kanje? Hayi. Bafethu, let's not be stupid. South African are stupid. Let's support uThembinkosi Lorch. Amanye ama-country bebazomkhipha uHugo Broos nje angayi ku-World Cup. Yabo. Thembinkosi Lorch ukorile izolo. Faneke simbuyise eskwatini siyeke le nto yaka-Hugo Broos. Ukuthi umdala. uHugo Broos una-90 manje akafuni ukuretire. Wayezotshela abantu ukuthi ubadala. Una-90 manje une-amnesia uyakhohlwa nokuthi ubekephi izinto. Mara usacoach. Tshela uThembinkosi umuntu ona-30 ozalwe 95 umtshela ukuthi umdala. Hayi, bring Thembinkosi Lorch bafana. Or else ingcono sicosheni uHugo Broos. Sitshintshe nje siye ku-World Cup with the South African coach. Siye ku-World Cup with the South African coach. Amanye ama-club bewazoyenza njalo. Akucoshe nje ngoba wena so-discredit ama-player wala eSouth Africa. Umuntu okubhadala i-tax, okubhadala nge-tax yakhe wena uyamjikela. Thembinkosi Lorch umdala ngisamfuni. Bani, sitshele ukuthi umkhelele uthi uThembinkosi akamfuni, ungathi wena angeke umbize. Sitshele ukuthi umkhelele doesn't want Thembinkosi Lorch, sitshele. Siyazi angithi. Hawu.